Hey guys, welcome back. Transmission pans is something I kind of really never cared about. Uh, Everybody does them. You know, there's so many different ones out there on the market, and they're all basically the same. You can't really tell the difference between the Mag High Tech and the Max Brand and the Max Brand. And so Mishimoto came out with these transmission pans, and I kind of had the same thought, you know, just another transmission pan on the market, nothing cool, nothing crazy. But they actually did some pretty cool stuff here. So along with changing up the cooling fins, everybody else's are straight and polished and, you know, black, whatever. They put these little inserts in. And if you're a technician working on these trucks, you know how much of a pain in the butt it is to try and hold the pin up and start bolts. So what these inserts allow you to do is get all your bolts started, threaded in, and they hold them. So as soon as you go up with the pin, they're not falling out. That's actually the only reason I'm reviewing it, because it's actually something I appreciate as a technician. You know, kind of hold that thing up there and start 20 different bolts is a pain in the butt. Your arm's going dead. You have to relax, lay on the ground. You know, this just speeds the whole process up. You can put all the bolts in, slam the pan up there, zip them into the pan. You're not going to strip anything out. Everything's aligned perfectly. This is a very deep pan compared to the factory unit, so it's going to hold extra fluid. You've got these massive internal cooling fins as well as the external cooling fins. So a really cool pan design. It's something new, something different than everybody else is doing. And I felt it was actually worthy of doing a review on it. And this one is actually going on my personal 6.0 Powerstroke. This is a 5R110 pan. This will work from, I believe, 94 all the way up to 2010 Ford. So one part number fits all. Really nice products. Can't go wrong with it. Transmissions are hard to keep cool already. So if you got a 7.3, 6.0, 6.4 Powerstroke, check out the Mishimoto transmission pan. You can get it right here on our site, reviewdiesel.com. And any questions you guys have about it in the comments below. I will be installing this one here in the very near future. So if you're going to install yours yourself and you want to know what tools you need or anything like that, hit me up in the comments below. We'll get you answers. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit the little bell. Constantly releasing new videos on helpful, fun products, and everything that we're going to review here on this channel is something that we've encountered as we've worked on these trucks for the last 20 years. And when somebody comes out with a new innovation that makes our jobs easier as technicians, we're going to review it here on the channel. So whether you're a technician working on your stuff at the house, check out all of our videos. And if you got a video that you want made that you haven't seen, recommend it in the comments below, and we'll make sure to get on it for you.